Good morning. Rise and grind, boys and girls. Rise and grind. I'm on my way to go pick up a load in Waco. Before I pick up the load in Waco, I'm gonna get my oil changed. Peace. Well, I'm getting ready to go see if I can get my oil changed. I'm right here off of exit 308 off of I-35 north. And no, it's not Love's. We're gonna go try All American Diesel and Tire. Like I said in my other videos, recently I just talked about it in my TCT video. I try to support small local businesses. Now, I know this isn't local to where I live because technically this is about 35 minutes north from where I parked the truck, but it's still a smaller independent company, and that's where I like putting my money. You know, it's hopefully it works out. I don't know, we'll see. But to be honest with you, that's what I try to do, is I try to put my money into small companies. So I don't really know where you go in at. This Love's is always busy. So we'll see. To see these guys driving through the mud. Holy crap. So we'll see if we can get in over here. I hope. I wonder if I went in the wrong way. I think I might have went in the wrong way. It's alright. We'll go around. I don't see anybody in the oil area. Let me see what this guy says. I think I went in the wrong way. No, I want to get my oil changed.
Yeah, that's stay over right here.
Ooh, that's tight. So let's go flip a Yui. knew I should have came in the other way. That's alright. That's what a big parking lot's for, I guess. Let's see. Oil. I would here to get my oil changed.
You gotta come in from the other direction.
They just told me to come around through here.
Yeah, they didn't tell you to line up here. They probably may go around the building and line up at that door. That's probably what you did.
All right. Thank you. Well, so far, homeboy seems a little angry. I hope their customer service is a little bit better than that guy's attitude. Well, they got me right in. Alright guys, well, I'm all done. So I came here to All American Tire, Diesel and Tire in Troy, Texas, and I got right in. There was nobody waiting, and I went with a synthetic blend made by Lucas. Now, according to the guy that owns the shop, Lucas just came out with this synthetic blend, which means 7% of the oil has that Lucas additive that everybody adds to their oil. So they kind of just headed it off in the past by coming up with their own synthetic blend that has that additive in it, which that's kind of cool. Originally I was going to go with the Shell Rotella, but he told me about the Lucas, so I went ahead and went with the Lucas. Now, this is the first time that I've got the oil changed in my truck since I bought it. And total out the door was $560.72. It was $389 for the oil change and PM service. Then they charged an extra $38.99 for the oil filters. And then they charged an extra $86.99 for the fuel filters, because I went ahead and got the fuel filters changed at the same time. I'm gonna shop around. I didn't even talk to Love's. Love's is right next door, but we'll see if that's a good price or if I just paid a hell of a lot more than I would have anywhere else. So it is what it is. Got it, the oil changed. I'm currently at 517,743 miles. So it was time to get it changed. So we'll see what the Lucas oil does, how it runs, how it works, and we'll go from there. If any of you guys ever heard of this Lucas or use this Lucas, let me know and leave me a comment. Like I said, originally I was going to go with the Shell Rotella and then add a gallon of that Lucas oil additive, but this guy told me that Lucas makes their own, so we'll see. Seems a little expensive, but I don't know. Let me know. So I'm on my way to Tractor Supply in Waco to go pick up my load, and I should be there in about 20 minutes, I believe. So hope everybody's having a good morning. Like I said, got my oil changed and I'm ready to rock and roll. Peace.